Hi there. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day is almost coming to an end, and I hope that we will be unlocked by Monday, maximum by Tuesday, inshallah. As I explained before, in the rectangular prism, as well as in the triangular prism that we have here in hands, to start with drawing a net, always start with the face that is sitting on the floor, which is this face in this case, the face that is sitting on the floor, which is a rectangle. So start by drawing this face, which is your rectangle, and always make sure that you write the dimensions on it. So if this is 30, then this must be 30. Every two opposite sides are equal. If this is 24, then this must be 24. And then go to the triangular face here. Imagine that you dropped this one on the floor like this. So imagine that you drop this one on the floor. So it's gonna be and the distance here is 24, which makes sense, and the distance from here to here is 5 centimeter. You're going to draw the exact same one opposite to it. Imagine that you folded this side and it's standing up. The opposite side to it is this one here. So this is 5 centimeter. And then imagine that you dropped this side as well here on the floor. So it will be and you must have the exact same on the opposite side to it. So if this is 30, this piece, so this side here is 13. Every two opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. This is 30, so this one here is 30 as well. So same applies here. This piece is identical to this piece, so this is 30, 13, and 13. So this is my net. Let me just make sure that it's clear. And from the net, we can also calculate the surface area. We can calculate it directly from the 3D object, as I explained in the previous video, and we can calculate it directly from the net. We deal with the net as if it is a compound shape. So you calculate the area of each piece or each shape in the compound shape, and then you add it. So you're going to say here surface area, okay, is equal to. So if this is the floor, okay, so let's start with this piece. So it's going to be 30 times 24, and it's a one piece, plus I have two pieces from the, I don't know if we're going to call this right side and the left side. I have two pieces, so it's 2 times 30 times 13 plus I have two triangles, which is going to be 2 times area of the triangle is half times base, which is 24, times the height, which is 5. And you're going to calculate here. So it's 30 times 24, 0, 12, 0, 6, 0, 2, 7. So this is 720 plus 30 times 13, 0, 9, 0, 3. So it's 390 times 2, 0, 18, 6, and 7. So it's 780 plus this one will come down to 60. 60 times 2 is 120, and then you add 720 plus 780, 0, 14, 15 plus 120, 0, 2, 6, 1. So it's going to be 1,620 centimeter squared. And if you compare it to the one that we found in the previous videos, when we left the 3D object as is, you are going to end up with the exact same answer. Thank you so much for watching.